નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English unit number 4th Trace to Treasure. As you know students, in our previous video we completed activity number 1 to 8. Now today in this video we have to do activity number 9th onward. Activity number 9th. What we have to do? Let's understand about it. First one, I read from here. Just keep attention here. One number. Work with a group or partner to think of something new you could make with all the things left over after a party. In activity number 7 and 8, we make a list about things which is left over after the birthday party. Using that things we have to make a new things from that left over things. See here, new you could make with all the things left over after a party. Second one, draw your new things. You have to draw your making new things here in that textbook. Third thing, label it with the names of all things you used to make it. After completing new things, you have to give label which things is used in making that things. So you have to make list also. Use the list, things list. You have to make with it. Fourth number, count the things you used and also count the things, how many things you used to making that new things. After that, fifth number, have a contest with your classmates. Contest with your classmates. The group that uses the most things win, and which group uses most things is a winner. So you have to make new things from leftover things in activity number 7 and 8 and make a new better things to contest with your classmate. So here example is given here. Our group imagined a collage work. Think about that. Your group imagine that one collage you have to make. In your drawing period you make a collage. Making a piece of papers and things and photographs and stick in one place. It's a one type of work is known as a collage work. So our group imagined a collage work. Our plan used 9 things and our plan is used to use 9 things here in our collage making. So make a collage here with that leftover things. Other students make other things. Idea emerged in your mind. Just make a new things from that left over. After completing that things, you have to paste here in your textbook and you have to make a list which things is used to making that things. Can you understand, student? Do it yourself. Okay, just complete it here. After that, which group won the class contest? Which group won the class contest? So give answer. For example, I write here group A won the contest. Group A won the contest. Here our activity number 8 based on 7th and 8th activity we completed. Now activity number 10th we have to do. What is this? We have to understand about it. Activity number 10th. Imagine that you have some old warm blankets that you are not using. Imagine you have some old warm blankets. Everybody knows about blankets. Some warm blankets with you that you are not using now. It's a leftover things for you. It's a trace for you. Warm blankets. You want to give these to people who need them, and now you want to give these things, means warm blankets, people who need them. Imagine all the ways that a person might use your old blankets, and imagine that your old blanket is used that person, how it used by that person. Okay, just you have to imagine all the things. Try to think of the most unusual ways to use blankets that you can. Write at least 3 ideas. Try to think of most unusual way, not usual way, but unusual. નકામી રીતે કઈ રીતે બ્લેન્કેટ યુઝ કરે છે એ આપણે આઈડિયાઝ લખવાના છે. રાઇટ એટલીસ્ટ 3 ideas here. Write at least 3 ideas here. What is this? Just I write as a imagination. Just you have to complete all the things in your textbook here. Now first I write as a unusual use of that blanket is as a head pillow or a back cushion. Just think about that. That man is used as a blanket, as a head pillow, to use it as a head pillow or back cushions or as a back cushion ટેકો આપવા માટે અથવા તો માથા નીચે રાખવા માટે યુઝ કરે છે. Then second thing, as a curtain against sunlight, or he will put his our old blanket to stop sunlight coming from the windows. As a curtain, he used as a curtain, as a પડદો જેને આપણે કહીએ તો પડદા તરીકે વાપરે છે. Third thing, as a cushion to sit on a hard surface or make a sitting purpose. Use it as a sitting purpose. Cushion, make a cushion to sit on a hard surface. 3 unusual idea I make here. You have to write your thinking here. Just I imagine like that things. You have to imagine how it is used as a unusual way. Now next thing we have to do, ask as many classmates as you can about their ideas. You have to ask your classmates ideas about that things. Write 5 good ideas from classmates that you think are interesting and useful. Now you have to write 5 good ideas from your classmates that thinks very interesting way and useful way. Okay, just you have to write 5 ideas here. I write here 5 ideas as I imagine. To pack smaller things in to carry them as a bundle. He used that blanket as a pack smaller things in to carry them as a bundle, as a use as a carry bag, making some bag from that blanket and used to carry some smaller things in that bag. First idea is that to pack smaller things to carry them as a bundle here. Okay, now second ideas I write here, to prevent water coming from a big hole in a wall. To prevent water coming from a big hole in a wall. Think about that. He is staying in a old home and there were one hole in his wall. One hole is in wall. So he used as a blanket to prevent that water coming inside. So he kept that blanket to that hole. Okay? Can you understand? Second idea, unusual idea. Third idea, to spread as a bed sheet or a carpet. He used that old blanket as a bed sheet or a carpet. As a bed sheet. Can you understand? Bed sheet means ochad, or as a carpet, or as a carpet. Okay, to spread. Fourth idea, to cover melting ice blocks. He also used it as a cover melting ice blocks. બરફના ટુકડાઓને ઢાંકવા માટે પણ વાપરી શકે છે. Can you understand? And fifth number, to wipe car. And he also used to wipe car or wipe anything. Okay, can you understand? So here 5 idea is given here. So you have to write 5 ideas in your textbook. Now what's thing? Now what next we have to understand? With a group, discuss all the ideas on everyone's list for using old blankets. With a group, discuss all the ideas emerge in your mind and your classmates' mind about how using old blankets. Rank the top 5 most unusual and unuseful ideas. You have to make that ideas list. First of all, top 5 ideas you have to write unusual and unuseful things how you use that blanket. So I write here. First one I write to use as a baby cradles. First one is there to use as a baby cradles. So here making a ઘોડિયું જેને કહે તો બાળકોને હિચકવા માટેનું ઘોડિયું બનાવે છે. આ પહેલો આઈડિયા છે. સેકન્ડ છે ટુ કવર મેલ્ટિંગ આઈસ બ્લોક્સ. સેકન્ડ આઈડિયા ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ મોસ્ટ ટોપ રેન્ક. સેકન્ડ ટોપ રેન્ક is there melting ice blocks to cover melting ice blocks. Third interesting idea is there to cover somebody burning to put out fire. And to cover somebody burning to put out fire. Some person or some things burning in a fire that you have to cover that things with that old blanket. Fourth number idea is there to prevent water coming from a big hole in a wall. So prevent water from wall. It's a next idea. Fourth rank. Now fifth rank become to use as a curtain against sunlight. Use as a curtain against sunlight is a fifth rank. So I give here ranks first to fifth, which is most interesting, most unusual and useful ideas I write here as a rank. Can you understand, student? You have to complete it in your textbook. Now next thing, our group thinks the most unusual and useful idea for using an old blanket is to stop it in a wall to prevent water flowing away. So our group thinks the most unusual and useful ideas for using old blanket is to stop in a wall to prevent water flowing away. So here one interesting idea I write. You have to complete it. Here our activity number 10th over. With that our unit number 4th trace to treasure is also over. So complete all the things in your fair notebook we require to write and do work with our videos. Okay student?
Thank you for joining us